two more boxes over here.
Yeah, you didn't notice that? That's what I said.
Well, I did notice it, but I forgot about them when I walked into the other room.
Yeah, so anyway, this is what it came with.
It came from Orange County.
It did. It was made in Orange County. Or, well, designed.
Look at that.
Almost everything.
That's so dumb.
So my
It's so
mom
cool.
pulled a your mom,
Yes.
and I asked my mom for a baby picture of me.
Yes.
And when she sent it to me, she posted it on Facebook. She's like, look how adorable Michelle is. I'm like, Mom, I just asked you personally to send me a baby photo, not to put it on Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
You can't just post anything you want.
Sure she can.
No. So now there's an adorable photo of me on Facebook.
Oh,
When I was
not
like
that
2 years
adorable.
old. I'm pretty adorable when I'm
She's
2
pretty
years
adorable
old.
in this photo.
In this photo. I'm doing like a glamour shot, like a 1990s glamour shot when I'm 2.
What happened?
It's okay. It just ensures me that my children will be adorable when they're young.
That's good. That's the whole reason why people have kids, right?
So they're adorable when they're younger?
Yeah.
Yeah. It gets them through the anger years. Oh wow, those are fatty tires.
That's right. Do you need a knife?
You mean like this knife right here? Or like this one that you always have?
Who'd she go to Vegas with?
Her whole company is having a sales thing.
Oh, that's
I feel like she went to that last year, right? Like she's been to Vegas for this conference before, I feel like.
yeah, I feel like
We've talked about this before.
Possibly.
maybe we talked about this conference.
It could have been 2 years ago.
No, because she's only been on her job for a year.
Well, didn't she have a conference during your bachelor party?
Oh, she went to Boston once.
Oh, she went to Boston.
Red.
Very, very packed.
Is this how low the handlebars?
No, there's another handlebar on top. You have to, no. I feel like you have to adjust it goes up, John, remember? Handlebars go up. Like a big U. Not flat. No, up higher.
I guess it is right. It does go up like that.
This, I think, it does ride a little bit lower.
Do you have any? Does it come with the bolt to undo it?
It does come with an Allen wrench.
You got to take off this.
Oh yeah. What I'm trying to do is not to
Scratch the paint and everything. Yeah. Everything got this angled. It's a bike. It'll get dirty.
Not Paul's bike.
Yeah, why would mine get dirty?
What's the price are for?
Look at that, $4.45. 9633. Class 2, 20 miles an hour.
I think it's kind of crazy they limit it. It's a regulation of California.
Maybe we can take the restrictor off of it.
What?
Okay.
All you do is put this on, and you put the pedals on. You don't even need to put the pedals on. Good to go.
Yeah, it says handlebar installation, handlebar cable harness, and pedals, yeah. And then inflate the tires.
Wait, they're not inflated already? They look inflated.
They're a little bit deflated.
They're very monstrous.
So,
That looks right.
See, I told you they go up more like a U.
Yeah, but it's still pretty low.
It's a little bit of a low rider, yeah.
It's not that low. It's not as low as you were making it seem. You were like down there. Yeah.
So, first things first.
We just have to flip it to get that leverage. Ooh.
That's why it comes with these tools.
Yep.
I'll just leave it a little bit loose, probably. So you can
Get it centered.
You also just gotta adjust it to your writing. What's comfortable.
I think probably just think
hop on the
like
bike.
that. Yeah, I mean, I think you want that angle of this to be basically the same as the.
Well, it's kind of like you want the handles to be. It's kind of weird that this one's like high up and this one's low.
No, it's so that you know which one is your gear change and which one's your brake.
It's not a gear change.
No? What's the difference between the two things then?
Front brake, back brake.
Oh, that's weird.
You know the.
I don't know, ride bikes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it is
The
cool. Oh, it's cool.
Allen wrench should be just ever so slightly less.
Long.
Yeah.
You could probably
You're
tighten
like,
it
why
with
are you
the
looking at me like that?
Or we can have it here, just tighten it. You get it pretty close and then we'll flip it over.
Good idea.
Can I flip it over?
Okay.
Just loosen it a little bit.
Okay.
And you tell me where it feels good. Ready about there?
Yeah, I think right about there is good.
And it's done.
Practically.
Like I said, you don't really need pedals.
Wait, oh, it comes with pedals though, right?
Yeah.
Weren't you gonna? I thought you were thinking about getting the one that wasn't pedal assisted, like it was just the bar or something. I thought
Where would you put your
So-
feet?
So this one, it said that when I bought it, it's not pedal assist, but then in the manual, it made a mention of it. So
that's weird.
yeah.
Because I remember you said it was just gonna be like a bar, or they had like a more expensive version that was.
Wait,
without
how
pedals.
long did this take to get to you? 'Cause
A
I feel
while.
like you've been talking about this for a while.
It's been a
Yeah.
little bit.
I think about 9 months.
From when you ordered it?
Yeah. It was a pre-order though.
Okay.
It was supposed to ship in the winter, and then they had a little bit of a delay.
Well, technically it's still winter. You have about a week
I-
until you're on holiday.
I want to say it was originally supposed to ship in like October or November.
Did you get any other things for these?
Mm,
Or do these just clip on? I want to read the instructions. Oh, you got the Allen wrench, right? The big one?
Mm-hmm. There's a
That was
adjustable
funny.
wrench.
That's the one you need for this task.
Okay.
This came with it?
Yep.
Nice.
What? Came with an Allen wrench? Well, I mean, come on, you bought a giant bike. Might as
Well,
well
they
come with a
don't normally
giant
would.
Allen wrench.
It's actually quite nice to have it come with it.
I mean, the Allen wrench makes sense because that's like $0, but like a adjustable wrench, that's like some.
It's probably at least $1 even in China.
Yeah.
Connect the handlebar harness cable. Did you do
Did
that?
it?
He plugged something in.
Okay, pedals. Install and tighten. The right pedal is screwed on in clockwise. The left pedal is screwed in counterclockwise. Look for the small left and right on each pedal. This is the right. This looks like a right pedal. It has a little R in it, and this is a little L.
Okay.
I'll let you down. I'll let you down. You're so picky,
Which one was that?
Millie.
The other cat is more accommodating.
Yeah, I was holding her earlier. I wanted to pet Millie. I never get to pet Millie.
Whole Millie.
She's always so shy. Yeah,
You
she's
can
always so
pet
shy.
her.
No, I know. Every
She
time we come
is.
over, she always hides in the room. It's like the first time she stays out here. But she wants to stay by the water. Mm-hmm. She's like, absolutely not. I need to stay right here.
Is it, yeah, going on?
Yeah. Can I get the? Try not to scratch it.
Oh, we
So-
learned that you have to turn your happiness symbols upside down for Chinese New Year's.
No. You have to have your. If you get a luck symbol, that needs to be upside down.
Then why was he saying the happiness symbol?
Because he was wrong.
Because he was wrong. Okay.
But the Asian lady.
But she was right.
Because you're supposed to be.
Because luck is supposed to come onto, like, come to you. And when it's translated into Chinese, it means like luck come down to you. So you're supposed to turn the luck symbol upside down.
as down. Or something.
And when you translate it, it means the
Probably
come.
gonna go a little bit more in mine.
Feels pretty good.
Pedals aren't the thing you want to fall off.
Sure. It's kind of stuck.
Here you go.
I scratched it a little bit.
Yeah, it's fine. Like I
won't
said,
notice.
it's a bike.
Yep.
Also, this Allen wrench is a little too big for the
It's
slot.
adjustable.
No, it's too like thick for the slot.
Oh, I see.
So
Ever so slightly.
yeah.
Maybe that's actually to set the distance or the thickness. Probably not.
No.
Sweet.
It's done.
There you
You
go.
just have this last little piece right here with the name badge on it.
No knife needed.
Right. Take that off.
Is your name on it?
Woo-wee.
Super.
Super 73.
Nice.
Why 73?